We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother MFC L8900. So first thing first, go ahead and pull your tray out. If you see your paper here, go ahead and gently pull it up and out. Don't yank it out. Like I said, you want to do it nice and slow. Sometimes paper can get, if it rips it, little pieces can get in there and it'll cause more paper jams. And then you could also damage a sensor or something like that could cause further damage to your printer. So if you see it there, pull it out by the tray. Then on the back right here, go ahead and pull this down. There's going to be two green tabs right here. Press on those. This will come out and you should be able to easily pull your paper. There's going to be this little red, orangish, rusty looking or colored looking roller right here. Don't touch that because it will be very, very, very hot and you will burn yourself. There is guides on the side of your printer too if you guys are needing help with that. So you pull your paper out, like I said, nice and slow. You don't want to rush pulling it out. Then the next thing you would do is, if you see your paper right here, you could just pull it out, like I said, nice and gently up and out. Those should be the only places you're seeing jams. If you're having a lot of jams, you might need to call us and put in a service for your printer. If you're in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.